Hi, I'm Bruna, and today I'm going to introduce you to the newest feature of SoftExpert Suite 3.0, contract management via workflow. If your team deals with contracts, you've probably faced challenges with manually filling out documents, which often leads to rework. But now it's possible to automate contract generation, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to do this with complete standardization, traceability, and security. So let's get started. Starting from version 3.0, SoftExpert Process now includes the feature to generate electronic files with variables. You can create dynamic documents in docx format, automatically filled with data from the process and forms. What's interesting about this feature is that it eliminates manual data entry and speeds up the creation and formalization of contracts. Just use a Word template document and let the system automatically insert the correct data. All contract management is done in a single environment, so you get more speed, more control, and fewer errors during the process, as well as greater consistency and reliability. Everything starts in the contract management workflow. In the initial activity, information is filled out through a structured and standardized form, which serves as the basis for the automatic generation of documents. Next in the workflow, we have a system activity responsible for integrating the process with contract generation. It's at this stage that we select the option Generate Electronic File with Variables, activating document automation. With the option selected, you click on Configure Electronic File with Variables, and the system displays a simple and intuitive assistant. The great thing about this assistant is that you can view all the variables available in the process, insert the electronic file in docx format, which will be automatically analyzed by the system. To make adjustments easier and ensure the integrity of the information before the final generation, SoftExpert Process identifies the variables present in the document and flags any possible discrepancies between the file content and the process data. Everything is more visual and less complex now, as you can see here in the configuration of each variable. You just need to set its source as a form field, a table, or workflow instance data, and select the corresponding field. Another really interesting aspect is that you can add extra features to further enhance the level of control and security for the documents. Examples of this include applying an electronic signature and a watermark. These steps are optional and can be configured directly on the assistant screen, according to the rules and needs of the process. In the final step, the system allows you to define where the contract will be stored. You can save it in the workflow itself, in SoftExpert document, or in forms. This is really important because it's another way for you to ensure organization, traceability, and compliance. Something else worth highlighting is that when you use electronic signatures or watermarks, the file will automatically be generated in PDF format, and it'll be mandatory to create the document in SoftExpert document, okay? When you instantiate the workflow and execute the system activity, SoftExpert Suite generates the contract or complete report already filled in with the correct data and stored according to the defined settings. Simple and efficient, don't you think? With contract management through workflow, your company turns a manual process that can be prone to errors into an automated, secure operation that is fully integrated with SoftExpert Suite. This is yet another way to increase control and productivity in your management. Now it's your turn. Take a moment to evaluate your contract processes and discover exactly how automating document generation can be implemented and applied directly to your reality with SoftExpert Suite 3.0.